Hi, I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice, and I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intentions for less. Today we're talking about how to dress your apple-shaped body, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to help you along the way. An apple-shaped body usually has the bolder shoulders, the bigger chest line, torso's probably around the same as your leg length. Nothing's shorter or longer than the other. I chose a really cute blouse that's a drop blouse with a shorter cap sleeve. I brought in the pockets to accentuate her chest line, which is what you want in an apple-shaped body type. I brought in some cute, edgy, ripped-up denim for her with, again, the lighter wash for spring because that's the big in. Brings it into a skinnier leg that I chose to fold for a more spring version outfit. But with an apple-shaped body structure, you actually want a skinny style pant. That would include a jean, a jegging, a dress pant, anything like that. It brings out all of your feminine features and creates more desirable body shape. If you actually put in a boot cut or a bell-bottom style pant, it puts your body into a boxy style and doesn't give you your curves and cuts exactly where it's needed. I chose this color of necklace because it features very well with the green blouse, the forest green. Orange is for you for blonde and brown eyes, is a very, very great color. I also added a short, cute pair of suede heels. I also chose to accent the necklace a really cute spring orange bag. As you can see, it's got accent floral inside of it, which is really in for spring. I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice. Thank you for watching. Please like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, it doesn't have to be new to be awesome.